The oldest bird we've had has been a bird named was Sinbad. Sinbad was 76 years old. We just step them up and work with them. Some we would have to towel because they are avid biters and diggers. It just means that we wrap them like a baby in a towel, and then we give a lot of love and attention, and then we let them step up. Among, I would say, no sickness is common. It's not like the flu. Birds can get respiratory infections. They can get digestive, tract infections. They can pick up, just about anything, just like we can. Does that happen very often? No, it doesn't. Probably Murphy. He was alcoholic and she was too loud and he beat her with a broom. And he told us that.